Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on the unfiltered or how you can turn on NSFW or turn off NSFW on your Crushon AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any browser on your PC and go to Google and search for Crushon AI. Click on the first link of Crushon AI and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, go to Home. Then you can see this is the unfiltered, so this is the filtered version. But if you want to go to the unfiltered or the NSFW version of Crushon AI, just go ahead and enable it. So enabling the switch, you'll gain access to unfiltered content. Are you sure to proceed? So go ahead and click on confirm and you can see some of the NSFW contents over here. So these all are the AI, so this is not real, so make sure you notice that. So you can see the unfiltered is shown over here, but if it is filtered, it will not be shown as unfiltered. So just go ahead and enable this button over here and you can easily turn on the NSFW or the unfiltered version of Crushon AI. So there are a lot of AIs you can talk to. I hope this video about how you can turn on the unfiltered version or the NSFW version of Crushon AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.